All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 8 ionic equilibrium, buffer solution and buffer action and Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for the buffer solution. That means derivation of pH equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. This equation is called as a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for the acidic buffer. Before entering this video, first subscribe this channel. First topic is a buffer. Buffer is a solution in which consists of a mixture of weak acid and its conjugate base or weak base and its conjugate acid is called as a buffer solution. அதாவது தாங்கல் கரைசல் என்பது வலிமை குறைந்த அமிலம் மற்றும் அதன் இணை காரம் அல்லது வலிமை குறைந்த காரம் மற்றும் அதன் இணை அமிலம் ஆகியவற்றை கொண்டுள்ள கலவையானது தாங்கல் கரைசல் என அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. Buffer is a solution in which consists of a mixture of weak acid and its conjugate base or weak base and its conjugate acid is called as a buffer solution. This buffer solution resists drastic change in its pH upon the addition of small quantities of acid or bases, and this ability is called as a buffer action. அதாவது தாங்கல் கரைசல் என்பது சிறிதளவு அமிலம் அல்லது காரத்தை சேர்க்கும்போது pH மாற்றத்தை தடுக்கிறது. இந்த செயல்முறையானது buffer action என அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. Buffer solution is two type. One type is a acidic buffer. Example for acidic buffer is a mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. Next one is a basic buffer. Example for basic buffer is a ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. Buffer solution என்பது இரண்டு வகைப்படும். முதல் வகை என்பது acidic buffer. Example for acidic buffer அசிட்டிக் அமிலம் மற்றும் சோடியம் அசிட்டேட் உள்ள கலவை. இரண்டாவது வகை என்பது basic buffer. Example for basic buffer is a ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. Next one is a buffer action. To resist the change of its pH on the addition of acid or base and to neutralize added acid or base, the buffer solution should contain both the acidic and basic component. Same time, these components should not consume each other. That means the acidic and basic components do not react to each other. Example for acidic buffer solution is a mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. Acetic acid is a weak acid, so partially decomposed into hydronium ion and acetate ion. Sodium acetate is a strong salt, so fully decomposed into Na plus and acetate ion. Hydrochloric acid is, that means H plus acid is added to this solution, so this added H plus react with acetate ion to form a undissociated acetic acid. So addition of acid does not change the pH of the acidic buffer solution. Same way, hydroxyl ion is added to this solution. Hydroxyl ion react with hydronium ion to form a water molecule. So addition of OH minus ion, that means basic solution, do not alter the pH of the buffer solution. Next one is a buffer capacity. The buffering ability of the solution can be measured in terms of buffer capacity. Next one is a buffer index beta, as the quantitative measure of the buffer capacity is called as a buffer index. That means buffer index is defined as the number of gram equivalent of acid or bases add to 1 liter of the buffer solution to change in its pH value by unity. That means buffer index beta equal to dB by dpH. dB is a number of gram equivalent of acid or bases added to the 1 liter of buffer solution. dpH is the change in the pH after the addition of acid or bases. Next one is a derivation of Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. Next one is a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for the buffer solution. Concentration of the hydronium ion present in the acidic buffer solution depend on the ratio of the concentration of weak acid to the concentration of its conjugate base present in the solution. That means concentration of H3O plus hydronium ion is written as a H3O plus is equal to Ka into acid concentration divided by base concentration in aqueous solution. Weak acid is a dissociated only small extent due to the common ion effect. The dissociation of weak acid is further suppressed. So equilibrium concentration of acid is nearly equal to initial concentration of the acid. Similarly, conjugate base concentration is nearly equal to salt concentration. So acid in equilibrium is equal to initial concentration of acid, base concentration at equilibrium is replaced by salt concentration. So equation number 1 written as follows. So H3O plus is equal to Ka into acid concentration divided by salt concentration. This is equation number 2. Taking logarithm, we get log H3O plus equal to log Ka plus log acid divided by salt. This is equation number 3. Multiplying negative sign with equation number 3, we get minus log H3O plus equal to minus log Ka minus log acid divided by salt. Already know that pH equal to minus log H3O plus and pKa equal to minus log Ka. So equation number 4, we get this term is replaced by pH is equal to this terms is replaced by pKa minus log acid divided by salt. This is equation number 5. Rearrange the equation number 5, we get pH equal to pKa plus log salt divided by acid. This is a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for the acidic buffer. Same way, basic buffer is written as a POH equal to PKB plus log salt divided by base is a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for the basic buffer. Anderson-Hasselbalch equation, hydronium ion concentration in acidic buffer solution is equal to Ka into acid concentration divided by base concentration. At equilibrium, weak acid concentration is equal to unionized initial concentration of acid. Conjugate base concentration is equal to salt concentration. So first equation is written as a H3O plus equal to Ka acid divided by salt. So equation number 2 log ஆல multiply பண்றோம். log H3O plus equal to log Ka plus log acid divided by salt னு கிடைக்குது. இது சமன்பாடு 3 னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. சமன்பாடு 3 முழுசும் மைனஸ் ஆல பெருக்கும் போது minus log H3O plus equal to minus log Ka minus log acid divided by salt னு கிடைக்குது. இது equation number 4 னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. நமக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும் pH equal to minus log H3O plus pKa equal to minus log Ka. எனவே equation number 4 ல இருக்கக்கூடிய இதுக்கு பதிலா pH னு எழுதிக்கிறோம். இதுக்கு பதிலா pKa னு எழுதிக்கிறோம். மீதி இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. minus log acid divided by salt. இந்த சமன்பாட்டை மாற்றி எழுதுங்க. சால்ட்டுங்கிறது மேலேயும் ஆசிட்ங்கிறது கீழேயும் வரும்போது குறி மாறுது. அப்போ pH equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. This is a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for the acidic buffer. Next one is a Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for basic buffer is written as a POH equal to pKb plus log salt divided by base. Next one is one problem. Find the pH value of acidic buffer containing 0.20 moles per liter sodium acetate and 0.18 moles per liter acetic acid. Ka for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. So pH of acidic buffer is equal to pH equal to pKa plus log salt divided by acid. We know that pKa equal to minus log Ka. That means pKa equal to minus log Ka value equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. That means minus log 1.8 minus log 10 power minus 5 minus log 1.8 value is equal to 0.26. So minus 0.26 log 10 power minus value equal to minus 5. Minus 5 into minus equal to plus. So plus 5. So pKa value equal to 0.74. pKa value equal to 0.74. So salt concentration is equal to 0.20 moles per liter. Acid concentration is given as a 0.18 moles per liter. These values are put in equation number 1. We get pH equal to 4.74 plus log salt value equal to 0.20 divided by 0.18. 0 cancel, point cancel. This is 10, this is 9. So pH equal to 4.74 plus log 10 divided by 9. This equation is written as a pH equal to 4.74 plus log 10 minus log 9. pH equal to 4.74, log 10 value equal to 1, log 9 value equal to 0.95. So we get pH equal to 4.79. This is a pH value of acidic buffer solution. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel.